Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys one more student result, and he joined the program back in March, and right now he did 17,000 US dollars in the last 3 months, and I think $17,500 in the last 3 months, and he started getting his momentum back in April, and he was used to get like 500,000 views on his channel. Right now he's getting around like 140,000 views every single day consistently, which is around like $300-400 per day consistently. So I'll show you guys the results, and let's see the numbers. So let's look at the numbers. So let me play this video so you can see the screen. This is the result he got in the last 28 days. So he got like 1.9 million views, and he did like $4,600 on those 1.5 million views, 1.9 million views, and he got like 21,000 subscribers. Let me pause this so you can see, right, his channel went from like getting 1,000 views to right now getting around like 100,000 views. So this is a real-time screen. I know the quality is not that good. He sent me this recorded video to me, so I just want to make this video as soon as possible. So you can see, right, your channel got like 4,300 more views than usual. So his channel grew from getting 1,000 to right now 100,000 views every single day. So this 100,000 views is getting him around like $300-400 because his channel is in different niche. We taught him how to do this, and he's getting around like $300-400 on this niche for 100,000 views. So let me play this video so you can see, right, so he got like 125,000 views. That's his biggest day on this channel in terms of views. So you can see he's consistently getting like 50-60,000 views every single day. So the videos he creates is evergreen type content, so people will keep on viewing these videos. These are not some viral type content where suddenly your views goes up to like 100,000 and comes down. That's it. So it's not like that. So it's an evergreen type content, so we really know how to make these type of videos. So let me play it again so you can see, right, 78,000 views, and so he's changing it back to like last 90 days. So this is the overall result he got in the last 90 days. So let me pass it. You can see, right, he got around like $17,260 on total. So this is the revenue he got paid from YouTube, and he got like 6 million views on total in the last 90 days. So you can see the graph, right, from here. So it went like to like 100,000 in like couple of days. So this is how channel gains a momentum, and right now this channel is around I think 150,000 subscribers plus. So he will be making more money out of this channel, but mostly like at least $100,000 before this in the next 7 months. So you can see the screen here. He changed it to like 2021 in his analytical report. So you can see, right, so before 2021 he was getting around like 1,000 views. So let me play the video again so you can see the numbers. So that's his peak, like 145,000 views, and you can see, right, so he used to get like 1,000 views or 1,300 views every day, and right now his channel is getting around like 100,000 plus. So that's how his channel took off, and he gained almost like 90,000 subscribers in the last 90 days, guys. So that's around like 1,000 subscribers every single day. So this channel is going to grow more than million subscribers in at least 1 year now, and his revenue will be consistent. So let me play the video again so you can see the momentum. So you can see, right, 1,600, 1,400, and it went up to like 100,000, 146,000. And so these numbers won't stay on like 140,000. So he hit his best days, and it will come down and it will go up. So you can see the revenue tab, and the RTM is getting paid around like $3, but still he's getting a lot of views. So you can see, right, the playback CPM is around like 4.95, and that's the revenue he's getting paid for every single day. So this is his monthly estimated revenue on this channel. So he started with $100 months, and March he did like $147, and you can see, right, $1,000 and $9,000 and $5,000. Right now it's around right 4,000. So this month he will hit around like $6,000-8,000. So this revenue will be consistently growing. Mostly in Q4 he will be making more money, like $10,000-20,000, because in Q4 YouTube will pay a lot of money to their publishers. So this channel has really good potential to hit some good numbers on the last 4 months. So let me play the video again so you can see he's going to the revenue tab. So let me okay, So this is revenue tab. You can see, right, like $100. This is the last few days on this channel, like $100, $130. So during this time, he's getting around like 50-60,000 views on this channel. So that's getting around like $100 to him, because the RPM is very low. The RPM is not that important for his channel, because he's getting like 100,000 views easily. So he will make like good amount of money, because the RPM will go up. So it's not going to just stay around like $2, because during Q4 the RPM will be around at least like $6-7 on this channel. That's sure, because you will get paid like 3 times whatever you're getting paid right now. That's how the RPM in YouTube works. So let's see how much. Let me play the video again. So you can see, right, so consistent like $170-$160 plus. So you can see, right, so anything above $100 is really passive on this YouTube channel, because he's not spending that much on creating the content. So mostly the niches we recommend, it won't cost you more to make these type of videos. So you can easily start with like $100, like $150 per month budget. So pretty much that's it, guys. So this is the result, and we will be making more result videos like this on my channel. And do follow me for more videos like this. And if you are interested in joining my program, do send me a message, and so we can take in a couple more people for this month. And that's it. And I will be increasing the price by next month. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Do leave a like and a comment on this video. I will be replying to all your questions, and see you guys in the next video.